फीवर 104 FM पर today I'm in great company because of course she's one of the heroes who's helped us through tough times and आज फिर एक बार कुछ important questions आपसे पूछने के लिए we are here. So gonna welcome Dr. Ashima Gulia जो कि है Senior Consultant Obstetrics and Gynecology, Birthright by Rainbow Hospitals, New Delhi में. How are you, Doctor?
I'm fine, Supriya. Thank you for having me.
Thank you, Doctor, for your precious time. And काफी ऐसे questions हैं general masses के लिए which can be very enlightening. अगर आप elaborate करके हमें थोड़ा, you could educate us more about preventive health specifically. आज इसी के बारे में हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा जानना चाहते हैं. So, want to start by asking a very basic question, Doctor Apsi. What is preventive health?
So, Supriya, this COVID has brought all the focus on our health,
Right.
We have realized the importance of health. So preventive health checkups is a tool. It can be an examination or a series of blood tests which will help you understand the current status of your body, your health with regards to your lifestyle and age. It helps you to detect early or if you're having any diseases, and if not, if yes, then it will help you to know what steps to be taken to prevent these diseases.
Right. All right. Doctor, why are preventive health checkups so important?
So I believe as individuals, it's our responsibility to take care of our health. कोई बाहर से नहीं आने वाला आपकी हेल्थ का ध्यान रखने के लिए. एंड जिस तरह की हमारी लाइफस्टाइल है आजकल, जितना हम पोल्यूशन से घिरे हुए हैं, जितना हमारे लाइफ में स्ट्रेस है, जितना एंड मोर सो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस पैंडमिक, जितना हमारी लाइफ सेडेंट्री हो गई है, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू डिटेक्ट diseases at an early stage, and take care of our health, take the responsibility of our health in our hands. This responsibility actually begins with understanding our current health, कि आज की डेट में हम किस हेल्थ सिचुएशन में हैं, whether we are in the right track or not. ये हमें पता चलता है with these blood tests and with a consultation with your doctor, with examination. We always assume मैं तो fit हूँ, मैं तो ठीक हूँ, मुझे कुछ नहीं हो सकता. And then comes a shocker in life कि अरे डायबिटीज हो गया, अरे लिपिड प्रोफाइल कितना गड़बड़ है ना. So it's always better to take that responsibility and have regular health checkups.
Absolutely. So now when you're saying regular health checkups, doctor, एक question मैं पूछना चाहूंगी, of course, while we're trying to go through these tests, make sure कि हम इन्हें regularly करवाएं. What exactly are we trying to prevent when it comes to getting a heads up and being more cautious about our health?
So we are trying to prevent a set of diseases called as non-communicable diseases. ये वो diseases हैं जो एक दूसरे से फैलती नहीं है, but still they are rampant in our society, and आज की डेट में these are the major killer diseases such as diabetes, hypertension, heart diseases and कुछ तरह के कैंसर जो कि हम prevent कर सकते हैं. These diseases are born out of our unhealthy lifestyle, so we are looking at those diseases. आज की डेट में India has topped the world with the highest number of people with diabetes. So we want to prevent these chronic diseases. ये एक silent killers हैं, धीरे खत्म करती हैं इंसान को, and it has profound effects on all the systems of your body. So we are looking at preventing these diseases. And the most worrisome part is more and more younger people are getting these diseases now.
Sure. For sure.
हाँ, इन चीजों के लिए ये टेस्ट हैं जो टारगेटेड हैं कि हम अर्ली डिटेक्ट करें और प्रिवेंट करें इन चीजों को, इन डिजीजेस को.
Great, good to know, doctor. My next question to you, aims क्या है of these preventive health checkups? And I would like to add a question of mine here, which I want you to educate me. This is not on the list. Aims क्या होते हैं of the preventive health checkups, and when you say some tests that should be done so that you monitor your health right, कौन से tests हमें करवाने चाहिए? Most important, even for like regular health checkups, कि हर 2 या 3 महीने में we can actually monitor our health by doing these certain tests. वो tests क्या हैं?
See, Supriya, एम्स ऑफ प्रिवेंटिव हेल्थ चेकअप टू फोल्ड हैं. एक तो पहले डिटेक्ट करना इन चीज़ों को, इन डिजीजेस को. First aim is to detect these diseases early. Second aim is to mitigate the effects of these diseases. अगर ये disease diagnose हो गई तो उसके effects on your body को स्टॉप करना या उसको रिड्यूस करना. सो देयर आर टू एम्स ऑफ दीज हेल्थ चेकअप्स. फर्स्ट इज टू डिटेक्ट एंड टू मिटिगेट द इफेक्ट्स ऑफ दीज डिजीज. जब हम ये टेस्ट करते हैं हमें पता चलता है, फॉर एग्जांपल इवन इन कैंसर्स विच इज वेरी डेडली, if you detect these cancers early, say in early stage, you can even cure the person of cancer, or you can reduce the morbidity and mortality and prolong the survival of that person, you know. So it's not just about early detection, it is also about the mitigation to reduce the effects of these diseases. And tests kya kya karane chahiye routinely. So first of all, the tests that you have to undergo will be decided by your doctor based on your age, your lifestyle, your gender. A female specifically would have to undergo mammography, pap smears, cervical examinations, breast examinations, and in general, if I have to say, your lipid profile, your blood sugar profile, your thyroid profile, and very simple test CBC. इससे हमें पता चलता है अगर आप अनीमिक हो या नहीं हो. You know, even low hemoglobin affects your quality of life. You can be going on performing your day-to-day activities, but you won't be as energetic as you're supposed to be.
Absolutely.
So,
true.
At least every 6 months or yearly tests, I would recommend these general tests, and a pap smear every 3 years, and mammography every 2 years after the age of 40 is recommended.
Noted, doctor. Thank you so much for that. And before we let you go, एक final question हमारा ये है, who needs preventive health checkups the most? किसे सबसे ज्यादा जरूरत है इसकी?
आज की डेट में मैं तो कहूँगी सबको जरूरत है, you know, but specifically after 35 years of age, everybody should undergo a certain amount of physical preventive health checkups based on your lifestyle and everything. As I said, your doctor would advise you the appropriate tests.
Right. Great. That was very, very enlightening for everyone जो भी इसे देख रहे हैं. I hope आपने, if not proper notes, mental notes तो ले ही लिए हैं about why preventive health checkups should be your priority, especially through these tough times that we have gone through, are still somewhere going through, because अभी ये बहुत ही unpredictable है. Thank you so much. This was Dr. Ashima Gulia with us, who's a senior consultant obstetrics and gynecology, Birthright by Rainbow Hospitals, New Delhi. Thank you, doctor, for being with us.
Thank you for having me.